Primefix Anchor. Innovative fastener for heavy loads in drywall. Patented product. Made of stainless steel sheet. Directional arrow for correct installation. High-quality flexible material. Split design, ensuring product flexibility during installation. (10mm or 3/8 of an inch installation diameter). Key features: anchor made of corrosion-resistant material, easy to install, no material waste, exclusive product, unique on the market, patented product. Recommended maximum load. Drill a 10mm or 3/8 inch diameter hole. Insert the anchor and position the object to be secured. Insert and turn the screw by hand until it engages the thread. Tighten the screw. Sfor, 40 years helping to build dreams. When it's time to secure, choose the right anchor.